Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to copy multiple WhatsApp messages in iPhone. So as you can see right now, I'm in my WhatsApp app and going to chat, and now to copy multiple messages, all you have to need, first of all, hard press on a single message and then tap on forward, and then you will be able to select multiple messages like this. As you can see, I've selected multiple messages in this WhatsApp conversation. And now you can easily tap on this icon, and here you will be able to copy your multiple messages. You will be able to save multiple messages to your files app, and tap on this arrow icon, and then you will be able to forward multiple messages from here. So this is how we can select multiple messages in WhatsApp in iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.